Hello and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today, I am going to reveal something that honestly feels like magic, because we are going to master how to use Google Flow to create mind-blowing AI videos completely from scratch. Just imagine being able to turn a simple idea in your head into a cinematic video in just a few minutes. No expensive camera, no complicated editing software, and no years of video production experience. Just your imagination and the power of AI. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to create your own AI videos using Google Flow, how to write better prompts, how to save your credits, and how to get results that actually look professional. And trust me, once you see what this tool can do, you are going to want to start experimenting right away. So get comfortable, open your browser, and let's start creating your very first AI video using Google Flow. Step 1. Access Google Flow. If you do not know how to access the platform, simply open Google and search for Google Flow. The official website should appear in the results, and you can open it from there. Google Flow is a powerful creative tool powered by Google's Gemini AI along with other advanced generation models. What makes it special is that it allows you to create cinematic video clips simply by describing what you want to see. Step 2. Check your credits. Before jumping into video creation, it is very important to understand how the credit system works. When you first open Google Flow, you might notice previous projects if you have used it before. For this tutorial, though, we are focusing on starting from zero so everything is clear. Move your cursor to the top right corner and click your profile icon. Here you will see your available AI credits. Currently, users receive around 140 free credits that reset daily. This is actually very generous for a free tool, but credits can disappear very quickly if you generate many variations or test many different prompts. This is why learning how to write good prompts early is very important. If you ever need more credits, Google does offer paid plans, but the free plan is more than enough for learning and experimenting. Step 3. Start a new project. To begin creating, click the New Project button. This opens your main creative workspace. This is where your ideas start turning into real video scenes. At the bottom of the interface, you will see the prompt box. This is where you describe what you want the AI to create. Before typing anything, take a second to notice the small drop-down options near the prompt box. These allow you to change what type of generation you want. For example, instead of text to video, you could also provide images as references or generate still images instead of animation. For this tutorial, though, we are focusing on text to video because it is the most exciting feature and the one most people want to learn first. Step 4. Enter your first prompt. Now comes the most important part of the entire process, writing your prompt. Think of your prompt like instructions to a movie director. The more clearly you describe the scene, the better the result usually becomes. For this example, the scene describes a space station observation deck overlooking Earth. Astronauts floating in zero gravity, glowing control panels, stars visible through glass dome, cinematic lighting, realistic reflections, slow camera orbit. This level of detail helps the AI understand not just what you want, but also how you want it to look. Step 5. Adjust important settings. Next, open the settings again. Here you can select the AI model. The Veo model is typically selected because it is designed specifically for video generation. You will also see generation speed options. Keeping the setting on fast is usually the best choice for beginners because it uses fewer credits while still giving good results. Another important decision is aspect ratio. Portrait format works best if you plan to post on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. However, landscape format, which is 16:9, is usually better for YouTube videos and cinematic presentations. For this tutorial, landscape format makes the most sense. You can also decide how many outputs the AI should generate. While more versions can be helpful, they also use credits faster. Starting with fewer outputs is usually a smarter strategy. Step 6. Generate your video. Once everything is set, click Submit. Google Flow will now begin generating your scene based on your description. One of the biggest advantages of this platform is that you are never locked into your first result. If something looks wrong, you can always refine the prompt and try again. While the AI is working, you can also explore the viewing controls in the top right corner. These allow you to switch between different layouts depending on how many results you generated. Step 7. Review the result. Once the generation is finished, it is time to preview the video. One interesting thing you might notice is that Google Flow sometimes adds background sound automatically to match the scene atmosphere. Even without describing audio, the AI attempts to make the environment feel complete. Watching the clip in full screen shows how well the lighting, motion, and atmosphere match the description. Even in a short clip, the floating books move naturally, and the magical lighting looks believable. If improvements are needed, clicking Reuse Prompt allows small wording changes that can sometimes dramatically improve results. If the result looks good, clicking Add to Scene places it into your project timeline. Step 8. Extend your clips. To get your clips just right, Flow gives you several powerful tools to fine-tune your project. If your clip is headed in a direction you like, you don't have to stop at its original length. Extending the clip allows you to continue the story naturally, adding more action, dialogue, or environmental details. For instance, you can add a completely different scene to a futuristic open-concept office in the year 2050. The scene includes clean white architecture, floating holographic displays above transparent desks, small service robots moving between workstations, soft blue ambient lighting, and massive glass windows showing a futuristic skyline filled with flying vehicles. Step 9. Play the full sequence. After the second scene finishes generating, move the timeline back to the start and play the full sequence. The transition between scenes often feels smoother than expected. Google Flow sometimes adds subtle transition effects automatically. Even though the environments are completely different, the scenes can still feel connected as part of one project. Step 10. Edit after generation. One of the most impressive features is the ability to edit scenes after they are generated. Insert feature. The insert feature lets you add new elements directly into your existing clip without having to generate a completely new one. This is perfect if you want to introduce a character, object, or effect midway through a scene while keeping the original animation intact. For example, you could add a floating hologram in your futuristic office without starting over. Camera control. With camera control, you can shift the perspective or angle of your clip seamlessly. Instead of rewriting your prompt to describe a new viewpoint, simply adjust the camera settings to pan, tilt, or zoom. This makes it easy to explore different angles, highlight important objects, or create dynamic shots that enhance storytelling. Step 11. Export your project. Once everything looks good, it is time to export. Click Download to save the file to your computer. From here, the possibilities are endless. The video could be uploaded to YouTube, posted to TikTok, used in presentations, or imported into professional editing software like Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve for additional polish. This makes Google Flow extremely useful for creating B-roll footage, background visuals, concept scenes, or even storytelling clips without needing a camera or production team. That covers the basics of how to use Google Flow to create your own AI videos. This tool truly does feel like magic, and the fact that it offers free daily credits makes it accessible to almost anyone interested in learning AI creation. If this guide helped you understand the process, consider supporting Techie Dialogue by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. New AI tools are appearing almost every week, and staying updated can give you a huge creative advantage. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.